Hey! Welcome to the Multiversal Traveler. Let's get into today's topic. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a stunning set of rings encircling Earth, just like Saturn's. What would our world be like if Earth had rings? Let's explore this fascinating what-if scenario. First, let's imagine the appearance of these rings. Earth's rings would likely be composed of ice and rock particles, just like Saturn's. However, because Earth is much closer to the Sun, the ice in the rings would be less stable, possibly creating rings that are thinner and more varied in appearance. The most noticeable change for us would be the sky. During the day, the rings would create dazzling arcs in the sky, especially near the equator. Depending on your location, you might see the rings as a thin line stretching across the horizon, or as broad bands of light arching overhead. At night, these rings could reflect sunlight, potentially making the night sky much brighter and altering our view of the stars. But the rings wouldn't just be a beautiful sight, they'd also affect our planet's climate. As Earth rotates, the rings would cast shadows over certain regions, leading to cooler temperatures in some areas and possibly disrupting weather patterns. Imagine parts of the world receiving less sunlight during certain times of the year. This could impact agriculture and ecosystems in ways we can't fully predict. Next, consider the rings' impact on Earth's gravity and tides. The added mass of the rings would slightly alter Earth's gravitational pull. This might have minor effects on the orbits of satellites and even on the Moon's orbit. The tides, driven by the Moon's gravitational pull, could be less extreme or more unpredictable, depending on how the rings interact with Earth's gravitational field. Culturally, the rings would have become an integral part of human history. Ancient civilizations might have built entire mythologies around them, and today, they would undoubtedly inspire art, literature, and perhaps even religion. The rings could also play a role in our daily lives, influencing everything from timekeeping to navigation. In the end, Earth with rings would be a truly different world. While they'd add a spectacular feature to our planet, they'd also bring about significant changes to our environment, climate, and even our cultures. It's a fascinating thought experiment that reminds us of how interconnected our planet's systems truly are. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the multiverse. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to travel further into the cosmos with us. Until next time, keep wondering what if.